This is David Saddlemeyer from Century 21 Liberty, and this stunning renovation is at 4119 Village Drive in Fayetteville, North Carolina, close to the Cape Fear Hospital and Fort Bragg. For more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website, davidhomesforsale.nc.com, that's number 4, or you can subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching. And it's located on a corner lot on a cul-de-sac there. You can see the fenced-in backyard, pretty brick veneer. This renovation was done in 2020 to include brand new roof, brand new vinyl windows, front porch there, and a lot more to show you inside. Pretty much everything you're seeing is brand new. From this gorgeous flooring, this laminate flooring, to the paint, fixtures. This is the living room with a cathedral ceiling. Living/dining combination leading to the kitchen. Coat closet there. Got a view of that fenced-in backyard again. And all brand new kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. And beautiful granite countertop. Another closet there. And this is the family room. So tons of space. Here's a closer look at those laminate floors. Very attractive. And there's another room here with a door to the backyard. And laundry room there in that corner. Again, a brand new roof. Brand new vinyl windows. And we'll go down the hallway to see the bedrooms and bathrooms. And you'll be just as impressed with the rest of the remodel here. First bedroom, their closet. Wow. Love this pretty tile work on the floor. And above the tub there. And that's an epic shower right there. There's the vanity. And the bathrooms are like the kitchen. Completely brand new. Linen closet there. Second bedroom. And this is the master bedroom. Followed by the master bathroom. Again, wow. Look at this tile work. An amazing tiled shower there. And I like to call the shower the human car wash. Look at all these jets. That is an experience. Great way to start the day every morning. And there's the vanity. Thanks for watching the tour. You can give me a call, 910-723-8888 to see this or any home for sale in town. Or to have your property listed for sale on my YouTube channel as well. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. Hope you enjoyed the tour.